Hello everyone. Now today we are going to study from class 9th chapter 9 the bond of love. Now what do you mean by bond? Bond का मतलब होता है बांधना, ठीक है, कोई रस्सी से बांधता कोई हो, but here this is abstract one, the feeling, the bondness of love with each other. ठीक है, हम किसको कितना प्यार करते हैं, वो प्यार हमारी हमको बांधता है एक दूसरे से रिश्तों में. ठीक है. नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल सी द समरी, देन थीम, समरी, देन significant stages. Now the theme of the story is that it is possible to create a strong bond of love and friendship between two human beings and animals. Now human beings में तो होता ही है, but you can see also that there is a bond of love between human beings and animal also. Animal में भी है, human being to human being भी है, और human being to animals भी, there is lot of bond of love between them. A slot bear whose name was Bruno. Okay, a small bear was there whose name was Bruno, and he was like the family member in the house. Later changed to Baba. पहले उसका नाम बचपन में क्या था, ब्रूनो, एंड बाद में उसका नाम क्या हो गया, बाबा. Is rescued by an author when his mother is killed accidentally by a gunshot wound. ठीक है, जिस हंटर ने गन शॉट किया तो उसकी मदर मर गई, तो ये बच्चा था उस टाइम जब ऑथर ने उसको देखा था. सो ही बॉट हिम होम. द कब इज गिफ्टेड बाय द ऑथर टू हिज वाइफ हु ब्रिंग्स हिम अप लाइक हर ओन चाइल्ड. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भले वो एनिमल था बट ही वॉज ब्रॉट अप एज अ ह्यूमन बींग. ठीक है, और उसने अपनी वाइफ को गिफ्ट किया था. When he becomes too big to be kept at home, he is sent to the zoo. ठीक है, अब ये जो बियर, टाइगर, ये सब जो लोग पालते हैं, ये लोग एक समय तक उसको घर में रख सकते हैं, उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज दे डोंट अलाउ टू कीप इट एट होम, सो दे हैव टू सेंड इट टू द zoo. But both the author's wife and Baba pine for each other and stop taking food. Pine means they have that, वो प्यार था उन दोनों के बीच में कि वो दोनों एक दूसरे के बिना नहीं रह पाते थे. तो जब उसको जू भेज दिया गया तो उसने भी खाना छोड़ दिया और ऑथर की वाइफ ने भी खाना छोड़ दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने उसको अपने बच्चे की तरह पाला था, एनिमल की तरह नहीं पाला था. Ultimately the family takes special permission and succeed in getting him back to live with them. ठीक है, फिर गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटी से उन्होंने बात की होगी, एंड देन एट लास्ट दे वर एबल टू कीप ब्रूनो और बाबा इन देयर हाउस, दो ही वॉज अ बिग बियर. नाउ विल सी द समरी. Once the author happened to pass through the sugarcane field near Mysore. While he was there, someone shot a female black slot bear. The baby bear riding on the mother's back moved off her back and began to run pitifully around his mother. Pitifully, प्यार में. अब जब उसने देखा कि किसी ने उसकी मदर को मार दिया है तो वो ऊपर उसके चढ़ा हुआ था, जैसे बंदर के बच्चे होते हैं ना, पीठ पे चढ़े रहते हैं, वैसे वो भी चढ़ा हुआ था. बट जब उसको गोली लगती है मदर को तो वो नीचे कूद जाता है और फिर वो अपनी मदर के चक्कर काटता है. ये ह्यूमन बींग्स में भी होता है. अगर हमारी मम्मा को चोट लग जाए कुछ, तो हम लोग दौड़ भाग के कुछ करते हैं ना, जो हम कर सकते हैं वो हम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ लव ऑफ मदर इन यू. सो द सेम थिंग वॉज देयर विद दिस बेबी बियर ब्रूनो. Feeling sorry, the author caught him by the scarf of his neck. Scarf of his neck, जो मफलर पहना हुआ था, उससे ऑथर ने उसको पकड़ लिया. Put him in gunny bag and took him home. He gave him to his wife in Bangalore. She was delighted to adopt the baby bear. She christened him Bruno. अब मतलब क्योंकि क्रिश्चियंस में, हम लोग में चर्च में एक होता है जब जैसे आप लोग में नामकरण होता है ना, वैसे ही हम लोग में बैप्टिज्म होता है जब बच्चे का नाम चर्च में रखा जाता है. तो इसीलिए लिखा है शी क्रिश्चियन हिम ब्रूनो, मीन्स शी नेम्ड हर ब्रूनो. The author's wife took great care of little bear. She fed him milk from the bottle. Bruno ate porridge, vegetables, fruits, nuts, meat, curry, rice, bread, eggs, chocolate, sweets, pudding and ice cream. मतलब वो इतनी चीज़ें he was willing to eat. He was happy whenever all these things were served to him. He drank milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, rated water, buttermilk, etc. Over time, he became attached to the two Alsatian dogs and to all the children of the tenants. मतलब जिस एरिया में वो लोग रहते थे वहाँ के बच्चों से वो फेमिलियर हो गया था और उसके दो एल्सेशियन जो कुत्ते थे उनके या कॉलोनी के वो उनसे भी फेमिलियर हो गया था. He would play, run into the kitchen and go to sleep in the beds of the family members. जैसे हम लोग डॉगीज पालते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कई लोग इतना प्यार करते हैं कि वो अपने बिस्तर पे सुलाते हैं अपने साथ. ठीक है, बिल्कुल जैसे फैमिली मेम्बर नहीं होते हैं उस तरीके से रखते हैं. तो दिस बियर ब्रूनो वो यूज टू स्टे लाइक द सेम. ठीक है, उसके लिए कोई अलग वो नहीं था कि वो कमरे से बाहर रहे, बाहर जाए, ये सब करे. नहीं, ही वॉज लाइक सेम as other children were there in their place. One day the author put down some poison to kill the rats and mice that infested his library. चूहे आपको मालूम है क्या करते हैं, नुकसान पहुंचाते, पेपर काट देते हैं. तो जैसे ऑथर की लाइब्रेरी बुक्स की जो रूम था उसमें क्या था, चूहे आ गया था तो उसने क्या किया, रैट किलर्स जो होते हैं वो रख दिया. By accident, Bruno ate some of the poison. Within a short time, paralysis set in. ठीक है, अब गलती से क्या किया, Bruno has eaten that rat killers and he got paralyzed. उसकी बॉडी पे पैरालाइज हो गया. He could not stand and had to drag himself into his stumps to the author's wife. They rushed Bruno to the vet, who gave him 10 cc of antidote. अब यहाँ vet क्या होता है? Vet is the hospital of animals. ठीक है, जहाँ पे इन लोगों की देखभाल या मेडिकल केयर दी जाती है. So he was given antidote. कितना? 10 cc. 10 minutes later, his condition remained unchanged. So the vet injected another 10 cc antidote. About 10 minutes later, Bruno began to breathe better and he moved his arms and legs. 30 minutes later, Bruno got up and ate. ठीक है, पैरालिटिक अटैक में क्या होता है? पैरालिटिक अटैक में आपका जिस शरीर पे अटैक होता है वो शरीर का मूवमेंट बंद हो जाता है. On another occasion, Bruno drank 1 gallon of old engine oil. However, he did not suffer from any ill effects. As time went by, Bruno became too big to be kept at home. Now named Baba, he was sent to the zoo in Mysore. अब जैसे हमने आपको पहले भी बताया कि जब एनिमल्स बड़े हो जाते हैं तो उनको जू में रखा जाता है. तो he was also sent to the zoo. He stopped eating and Baba also fitted into the zoo. Finally, the author's wife went to see Baba in the zoo. Bruno howled with happiness when he saw her. She fed him tea, lemonade, cakes and ice cream. अब जैसे डॉगीज में या और अदर एनिमल्स में अगर आपने उनको पाला है तो जब जितनी देर आप घर से बाहर रहेंगे वो तो कुछ नहीं करेंगे. जैसे आप घर में घुसोगे तो आप देखते होगे एकदम दे गेट ओवर एक्साइटेड. जब तक आप उनको प्यार ना कर लो तब तक वो नहीं करते. अब जैसे मैंने भी एक पपी पाला है तो मैं भी स्कूल जाने के बाद जब घर जाती हूँ तो क्या होता है, सबसे पहले मुझे उसी को मिलना होता है. अदरवाइज जब तक मैं उससे नहीं मिलूंगी वो क्या करेगा, चिल्लाता रहेगा. ठीक है, जहाँ मैं 2 मिनट मिल लेती हूँ वो चुप हो जाता है. इन द सेम वे अदर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो डू. खाली डॉगीज नहीं है, कोई भी एनिमल है, सब अपने मालिक को चाहते हैं. When it was time to leave, both Baba and the author's wife cried bitterly. She requested the superintendent of the zoo to give Baba back to her as she missed him too much. The superintendent consented and arranged for a cage to transport Baba back to Bangalore. मतलब जब देखा कि वो लोग अलग नहीं रह पा रहे हैं पर रो रहे थे एक दूसरे को छोड़ते समय, तो she requested the superintendent. तो superintendent ने make arrangements of a cage to bring Baba back to Bangalore. At home in their compound, a squad of coolies made an island for Baba. अब क्योंकि बियर्स जो होते हैं वो पानी में भी रहते हैं और सूखी ज़मीन पे भी रहते हैं, तो उन्होंने उस तरीके का एनवायरनमेंट उसके लिए क्रिएट किया. द आइलैंड वॉज 20 feet लॉन्ग, 15 feet wide, surrounded by a dry pit or moat, 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. A wooden box with straw was put on the island for Baba to sleep in at night. Baba's baby, along with his gun, was also put on the island for him to play with. After a few days, coolies hoisted the cage on to the island and Baba was released. Baba was delighted. The author's wife would spend hours with him on the island, sitting on the chair while he sat on her lap. Now what? कुछ समय तक क्योंकि वो जू से आया था तो उसको थोड़ा सेट करना था, तो उन्होंने पहले एक आइलैंड बनाया, उसको केज में ही रखा, उसकी खेलने के लिए कुछ चीज़ें रख दी. बट जब वो फेमिलियर हो गया सबसे, तब उन्होंने उसको उसी एरिया में फ्री छोड़ दिया. तो नाउ दे वर हैप्पी टुगेदर and the author's wife used to spend many hours with the bear. Now we will see the significant stages in the story. First is an orphaned bear cub is rescued from the gunshotter, and the author brought him back home and kept him and gave it to his wife as a gift, and she kept him as a family member. उसको वहाँ अकेले जंगल में मरने के लिए नहीं छोड़ा गया. Second, the cub becomes a part of the family. Now he was not like animal at home. He was like the child in the house. He used to play, he used to sit on the beds, he used to play with the children at home, he used to play with the Alsatian dogs and other people in the compound, you can say. ठीक है. Third point, Bruno suffers a poisoning accident. When he ate rat killing poison, he was paralyzed and he was sent to the vet for the treatment. उसको 10 cc एंटीडोट से फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ, तो उसको दूसरा 10 cc एंटीडोट फिर से दिया गया, and then gradually he recovered from that thing. On the other occasion, Bruno drinks a gallon of engine oil, लेकिन वो उससे उसको कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई. Next point, Bruno becomes Baba. When he was a child, they used to call him Bruno, and he was named as a child in the house. But gradually when he grew up, his name was changed into Baba. So everyone used to call him Baba, and Bruno has to be kept chained most of the time. बाद में जब वो बड़ा हो गया तब. Next, Baba is transferred to the zoo as the government orders are there कि बड़े होने के बाद ट्रांसफ़र करा जाते हैं, बिकॉज दे कैन हार्म अदर्स. घर वालों को तो हार्म नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन बाहरी लोगों को वो हार्म कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दे आर सेंट टू द जू. नेक्स्ट, Baba and the author's wife have a joyful reunion. Means when she went to see him, she gave eatables to him, and when she was leaving, they both cried. And because of affection and a bond of love, she requested the superintendent of the zoo to make arrangements to take him back home. So the superintendent made arrangements, and now he was allowed to stay home, though he was a big bear. Then the author's wife requests to the zoo to return Baba. Next, Baba gets his own special enclosures. Means when after returning from the zoo, he was given special treatments. An island was made by the people. Then for few days he was kept in the cage, but special arrangements were made for him. But after some time, when he was familiar with everyone, then he was released, and he was like a child in the area. ठीक है, वो खुले उसमें रह रहा था. And the author's wife used to spend hours and hours with Bruno or Baba. Now we will see the characters. The narrator in the story is a kind-hearted man. वो kind-hearted था, इसीलिए तो वो उसको घर लेके आया था. ठीक है. He took care of the bear with his wife. He gifted the bear to him, and they named Bruno. He teaches him a few tricks, like his 2 dogs, and slot bear to be a pet around the house and roams freely everywhere. ठीक है. उसको चेन में करके नहीं रखा गया था. अगर चेन में रखते तो कहते कि दिल का कड़ा है इसलिए उसको बांध के रखा. He was a kind-hearted man. As Bruno grew in size, the narrator realizes that the bear cannot be kept at home, so he was kept in zoo. The narrator's wife develops a great affection for the orphaned slot bear. She gives him the name Bruno. She takes very good care of him like her own child, and she was much attached with him. As when he was sent to the zoo, she cried for bringing him back to home. Bruno is a pet slot bear. After being orphaned, he is brought home to the narrator's family, where everyone takes good care of him. He is smart and intelligent animal. Within a few days, he makes himself at home. He eats voraciously, consuming a variety of food such as porridge, eggs, and so on. And Bruno cannot help tasting anything he comes across, and gets nearly killed after consuming some of the rat poison and the oil. Then Bruno learns to do few tricks such as whistling playfully with an opponent. Opponent means जो साथ में उसके खेल रहा है. जब आप लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हो तो दूसरी टीम आपकी क्या होती है? ओपोनेंट होती है. ठीक है ना. तो he used to play with them. He becomes very attached to the narrator's family. ठीक है. Mainly his wife. Now this is bond of love between the author's family, his pets, his children, and Bruno. Both were having affection of love for each other. So like this, the chapter is over. I think you have understood the chapter.